Assalamualaikum friends. I have marked all these levels for upcoming next week. Please watch these levels and trade on them with confirmation for upcoming next week. This is my analysis for next week. Watch these levels. These levels are from engulfing base level. Watch this video completely for learning engulfing base levels. These two levels for selling opportunity. Find confirmation in these levels. 3 confirmation I have explained in my engulfing course. This level from all-time high 4549, 4542. This is also for selling opportunity. Find sell confirmation at this level. These two levels for selling opportunity. If price make retest at this level and make engulfing buy confirmation, then go for buy. This level for buying opportunity. First TP 50 pips, then hold after taking 50% of your profit. All these levels for buying opportunity. All these levels for buying opportunity. If price make any of if price make retest any of these levels and make confirmation, go for buy. Watch this trend line. I have marked in H1 time frame this trend line in H1 time frame. Use this trend line for buying opportunity. Double confirmation. If price make retest at this level and make confirmation on trend line and also in this middle buy level, then go for buy. If price break this trend line in H1 time frame like this, if price break this trend line in H1 time frame, then use this trend line for selling opportunity. Price will make resistance this trend line in H1 time frame. If price break this trend line, then these two levels, this level and this level, use for selling opportunity. If price break this trend line. This is my weekly analysis for upcoming next week. Note these levels, these two levels for selling opportunity, all these levels for buying opportunity. Check these levels. Precise level from H4 time frame. If price break this trend line, then use these two levels for selling opportunity. This level and this level. Check the price and take screenshot and trade in coming next week. 4493, 4489, 4475, 4471, 4458, 4453. Note these prices. These are precise level, precise key levels. 4434, 4424 for buying opportunity. Find confirmation on these levels for low risk trade. Please screenshot of these levels and trade with confirmation. This is my weekly analysis. Precise levels in H4 time frame. Take screenshot of these levels, mark on your chart and trade on them with confirmation, with proper confirmation. Contact on this number for detailed learning engulfing theory.